Next is a lecture on the appearance day of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on February 21st, 1976, in Mayapur, India.
Today, the auspicious day of our predecessor spiritual master, Om Vishwapad, Paramahansa Parivrajacharya, Ashtottara Shata Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur mission, apart from his life, we are especially stressing on the mission of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. This place, Mayapur,